So on my last video, Design as a Business, one of you dropped a really honest comment, and I want to address it in this video because I believe a lot of creatives are in the same boat. So the comment said, I design but no money to show for it. Another thing is, most of my clients are people who have helped me in the past. So I'm like, let me just design this for them. So if this is part of your story, please grab a seat and let's talk. First of all, I understand because I've been there before. You understand? You want to give back. You feel grateful for what they've done for you. And so you offer your time, your talents as a thank you. Anyway, that's beautiful, right? But here's the catch. Gratitude should never bankrupt your purpose. Gratitude should never bankrupt your purpose. You didn't just start designing just to be a free service to your friend and helpers. You started because you love it and because you probably saw a feature in it. But love without boundaries, that's a recipe for frustration. Let me tell you something real. Even those people you are helping for free, they go out and pay the mechanics. They tell us, right? They pay their hairdressers. But when it comes to you, my guy, they will be like, run it for me. And you want to look like a good person, you accept and be like, yes. Now look around, 3 months later, you are burnt out, you are underpaid, right? Or not even paid at all. And the worst part of it is, you are not even building a profitable design career. But guess what? It's not too late, right? So here's what you're going to do. Separate goodwill from your business. It's okay to do a free job once in a while, but make it intentional, not a habit. Do you understand? Let it be your gift, not their expectation. Do you understand? Start charging even if it's small. You can say to them, because I am growing my business, now I have a rate. But I'm happy to give you a loyalty discount since you have been part of my journey. It's very simple, right? Do you understand? Now they feel honored, but they also know you're not longer free. Do you understand? So position your design as a value, not a favor. People respect what they pay for, and when you start getting paid, guess what? You show up better, you give your best, you even improve faster. Do you understand? Money gives your creativity structure. It gives your design a hustle direction. Do you get? So to the subscriber who dropped that comment, let me say this. You are talented, you've got the gift, but now it's time to turn that gift into game. Start small, but at least start. Let your gratitude fuel your growth, not drain your potential. And for any other person watching this, if you've done any work with zero bank accounts, please drop me a comment in the comment section. Let's talk about it. And let's build a design business that fuels our passion and also pay our bills. Do you understand? Till next time, peace.